Let's make something fabulous out of an old mailing bag. Hello and welcome to the Treasured Page. I'm Melanie and this is our quiet crafting space. Alright, I'm wanting to send out this happy mail and I need a fun covering. So I'm going to be repurposing this packaging. Now we can all see where it's from and it's one of the stronger envelopes. It's got a very pleasing crinkle. So I'm going to be altering this packaging. The first thing I'm doing is I'm opening it out and I am turning it inside out. Now I've got a really large piece of paper and I just want to cut it down to the size that I need for my parcel. So I'm just cutting away any tatty bits, any torn bits, and now I've got a nice piece of paper here. So this is the inside, this is the outside. This is now going to become the inside. And we can wrap up our parcel. I'm just going to cut it down further to reduce the bulk. I'm just going to use some decorative scissors to give a pleasing edge to this fun parcel. Okay, I've got a scalloped edge here. I've checked that my parcel fits inside and now I'm going to stick it together, and here double-sided sticky tape is your friend. This is a nice quick way of putting this together. So I'm just going to cut myself a length. Put that right up to the edge there. Peel that away. Stick that down. And there we have the starts of it. Okay, I folded this up, so that is going to be my parcel. This is where my parcel's going to live and be able to move and not be too squashed. So I just reduced the bulk by taking out this piece here. There we go. Taper that in like that, and now we've got a nice little neat fold line that I can bring over. And the same here, just take away the bulk of it. We want these nice and light. Now these are the Amazon packaging bags. They are not flimsy paper, they are really strong. So I'm going to keep those scraps because they're quite useful. I'm just going to push this through, give it a lace edge. That would be quite fun. There we go. All right, on this one, I really am feeling like I just want to get my paints out. So here I'm just going to put a few blobs of paint, planning on just doing a sky. So I've got some pale blue, I've got some white, some darker blue over here, and we'll just have a little bit of fun. And I love this because you can just do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. It's going to end up going in the post, and nobody minds. So we're just going to do this very quickly. Acrylic paint dries really quick. These are old paints. There's not much left in some of them, so it's quite fun to be able to use them up and have a project for where I can actually use them. So I'm putting a little bit of magenta here. We might get a sunset, you never know. And let's just see what we can do. Now this is going off to Maria, and Maria sent me some very nice... Oh, we've done that one. Oh, that was going to be really pink then. Let's put some white over here. And a bit of yellow there. Some orange. And blue, and a bit more yellow over here. Right, let's see what we get. So paintbrush, so some daubs of paint, paintbrush, and just roughly using colours that I think might make a sky, might make a sunset, and potentially some green in the background. Let's hope so. So just going to spread it out. so just spreading out my white and then hitting that blue, bringing it up, bringing it down, darker blue coming in. That's a bit special. Oh my God, what a mess. Okay, there we go. Work it in, work it in. Keep going. All right, keep going. And then I'm just taking a bit of paper here, scraping off some of it. Just add a drop of water. Add a drop of water and then blend it about a bit. And it's, I don't know, this paper's really sucked in that paint, so we're just now bringing a bit more white here and there. Now this is going out for this project, and Maria sent me the signature here, and she also sent me these paint palettes, and she also sent me, because she's an artist, so this is a bit embarrassing me having a go and sending her this, but never mind. I was inspired by her painting, so I'm just having a little go. So there we are, just, you know, we inspire each other, and that's what this is about. So when she receives it and looks at it and thinks, okay, that's what I'm up to. You inspired me, Maria, so here I am sending you back your parcel in a format that you appreciate. All right, but I'm going to now put my own little flair on it. Okay, I've got to leave allowance for where the address is going to go, so I'm just going to put that on there and work around that, because that's where the address will be. I'm using my wet glue, and I've got some collage paper here from Tim Holtz, and I'm just going to add a bit down here, just because why not? These papers can then be used, you know, this could be torn up. This could be torn up and be used. Not sure I like that edge down this. We'll just rip that. Great. Just using what was left on that little bit of paper there. And then I'm just going to paste that on for another detail. Put that down. Quite fun that it's got a crinkle. There we go, that's on. Okay, I've got some book page here. I'm going to just make some houses out of this vintage book page here. Just put that down. Just a rectangle and another sort of rectangle. Put that down next to it. Beautiful. And then this one wanted the yellow roof. So we will just paint down the yellow roof. Now this one's having a yellow roof. On you go. Lovely. And then this one, just a little bit of fabric left over from the main project that I did. Okay, like that. So we just lose that bit. I'll tuck in there. Perfect, perfect. Stick it down. All right, it's all protected with the matte medium. So this shouldn't peel up in theory. We'll glue all of that down, and I've got this little wispy piece of fabric here, so I'm just going to stick that on as well. like that. Just for texture, just a bit of fun. And then around here, peel it over. Paste this shut now because I'm going to put it in the other end. Okay, that can get stuck down. Over you go. All right, and we'll just leave that to dry. And a window number 2. Okay, I've made a fabulous mess, but I've had a wonderful time. I've put 2 little houses on there, and yes, I think that's all I'm going to do, apart from the address, which needs to go here. Oh, you would look nice if you were a different colour. Right, let's just get the inks out. Let's just get the inks out and have a dishevelled doily with some water. Look at that. This bag is actually quite waterproof. Okay. Fabulous. I'm going to put this over here. Put this over here. And let's just have a smear of gold, because that just sometimes makes everything better. So it just wants a bit of gold. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it, apart from the yellow roof. What else can we do to that yellow? Oh, there we go. We can dishevel it. Dishevel it. Oh, I need a tool. Let's tweezer it. All right, that's better. Oh, that's even better. Marvellous. Marvellous dishevelment there. Grunge. Do we want to peel that up? No, I don't think we do. Make it blue. Make it stick back down. Stick back down. And then and then what's this? I'm running out of tools, so we're just going to do that. That's great. Okay. Dishevelled houses. Perfect. No, it's not you. Where are my... This is a piece of washi tape, is it? Oh, it could be. Yes. All right, there we go. I can't think of anything else to do. I'm getting a headache. I need to eat, and we have a swap to do. Right, find the black ink. Okay, just give me some words and stick that on there. Lovely. Great. That's good. More up there. Have I got it upside down? Oh no, I haven't. Oh, marvellous. Okay, there we go. Good. What's this say? Readjust the door lock. Okay. Beautiful. All right, there we are, my beauty. Off to Wiltshire you go. Right, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I hope that you've had fun watching me just have a play, putting together my packaging parcels, and just generally playing with the scraps, the paint, the paper, giving myself some time for me and allowing the process of art and creativity to flow. And that is just making me a wholeheartedly more pleasant person to be around in my family. And I hope that you can take some of this energy forth to create something worthwhile for you. So do subscribe to the channel. We've got a monthly challenge at the beginning of every month. So there we go. That's just how to transform an old packaging bag into beautiful artwork just by throwing some paint at it and a few little embellishments from the scrap tray. So there we are. That's just a bit of fun, and we are going to leave this soggy mess to dry, and then it is going off to Wiltshire. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and above everything else, just slow down and make crafting time for you. Bye bye now.